Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Windows 7 Service Pack level and whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit so you download correct updates. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Windows Update. Install pending critical updates before touching Office. Make sure PowerPoint is closed and you've saved work. Note your Office version number and product key if available. This avoids mismatched installers and minimizes reboot loops. So pause only to gather these 3 facts, then move on to the core update steps. Next, update Office components. Open Microsoft Update or Office Update in Control Panel and check for Office-related patches. If automatic update fails, go to the Microsoft Update catalog and download the specific patch that matches your Office year and 32/64-bit type. This prevents compatibility errors. Run the downloaded MSI or EXE as administrator, follow the installer prompts, and allow any required restarts. Make sure to watch for prerequisites the installer mentions, and only reopen PowerPoint after the installer and finish by opening PowerPoint and checking File, right arrow Help or Account to confirm the new build number. This proves the update applied. If PowerPoint crashes, run an Office repair from Programs and Features. Choose Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if needed, because it fixes corrupted components without reinstalling. Make sure to back up templates and customizations before repair. If issues persist after repair, uninstall the problematic update or use system, restore to roll back. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind: restore points can save hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.